Hi everyone, welcome to Crack IELTS. My name is Almira. In this video, we will cover how to write a multiple graph essay for IELTS Academic Writing Task 1. Multiple graph questions are quite common in the Academic Task 1 writing test. You may often panic when you see these as you are worried about having to interpret two different types of data. However, as long as you have learned how to write essays on each type of graph, you will have no problem with multiple graph questions. A question could include any combination of the following: bar graph, line graph, table chart, or pie chart. The process for planning and writing IELTS multiple graph essays is the same as for any other Academic Task 1 essay. Here is the 5 steps process I recommend that you use. Analyze the question, identify the main features, write an introduction, write an overview, and write the detailed paragraphs. I'm going to take you through the whole process step by step as we work on a practice question. Before we begin, here's a model essay structure that you can use as a guideline for all IELTS Academic Task 1 questions. Ideally, your essay should have 4 paragraphs. Paragraph 1, Introduction. Paragraph 2, Overview. Paragraph 3, Details of first graph or chart. And paragraph 4, Details of second graph or chart. Now that we have all these tools we need, we are ready to begin planning and writing our IELTS multiple graph essay. Here's our practice question, which includes a pie chart and a table. The pie chart shows the main reasons why agricultural land becomes less productive. The table shows how these causes affect 3 regions of the world during the 1990s. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Write at least 150 words. Now let's understand the first step, that is analyze the question. The format of every Academic Task 1 question is the same, with the instruction sentence identical in every question. Here is our practice question again with the common parts highlighted. Every question consists of sentence 1, a brief description of the graphic, sentence 2, the instructions, and the graphic itself, which could be a chart, graph, or table. Sentence 2 tells you what you have to do. You must do 3 things: select the main features, write about the main features, and compare the main features. All 3 tasks refer to the main features of the graphic. You do not have to write about everything. Just pick out 2 or 3 key features and you will have plenty to write about. The next step is to identify the main features. The graphics in IELTS multiple graph questions should not be difficult to interpret. Each question has been created to test your language skills, not your mathematics ability. All you are looking for are the main features. These will usually be the easiest things to spot. In most Task 1 questions, you will be looking for 2 main features in one graph, chart, or table. In multiple graph questions, look for 1 main feature in each graphic. There will be lots of information in the graphics to help you identify them. Here are some useful questions to ask. The first question relates specifically to bar charts and line graphs, but the rest apply to all graphs and chart types. What information does the 2 axes give? What are the units of measurement? What are the time periods? What can you learn from the title and any labels? What is the most obvious trend? Are there any notable similarities? So what main features stand out in each of the graphics in our practice question? Here are the pie chart and table again. The main features are: pie chart, the biggest cause of land degradation worldwide is overgrazing. Table, Europe had the highest percentage of degraded land. We are now ready to begin writing our essay. Here's a reminder of the 4-part structure we are going to use. Paragraph 1, Introduction. Paragraph 2, Overview. Paragraph 3, Details of first graph or chart. And paragraph 4, Details of second graph or chart. Now let's understand the third step, that is writing an introduction. In the introduction, you should simply paraphrase the question, that is, say the same thing in a different way. You can do this by using synonyms and changing the sentence structure. For example, the question is: the pie chart shows the main reasons why agricultural land becomes less productive. The table shows how these causes affected 3 regions of the world during the 1990s. You can write the introduction or paragraph 1 as: the pie chart illustrates the primary causes of land deterioration across the globe, while the table outlines how 3 different regions were affected by these damaging factors in the 1990s. This is all you need to do for the introduction. Next, we will write an overview, that is paragraph 2. In the second paragraph, you should report the main features you have identified, giving only general information. The detail comes in later in the essay. However, with just 20 minutes allowed for task 1 and a requirement of only 150 words, you won't be able to include many details. Here are the features we picked out above. For pie chart, the biggest cause of land degradation worldwide is overgrazing, and for table, Europe had the highest percentage of degraded land. Now form these ideas into 2 or 3 sentences with a total of around 40 words. State the information simply using synonyms where possible. No elaborate vocabulary or grammar structures are required, just the appropriate words and correct verb tenses. For example, the overview of paragraph 2 can be written as: it is clear from the pie chart that the main reason why farmland becomes less productive is overgrazing. The data in the table reveals that Europe had the highest percentage of degraded land compared to North America and Oceania for the period recorded. Next, we will write the first detailed paragraph. Paragraphs 3 and 4 of your IELTS multiple graph essay are where you include more detailed information about the data in the graphics. In paragraph 3, you should be given evidence to support your first key feature. Here it is again. For pie chart, the biggest cause of land degradation worldwide is overgrazing, and this is an example of what you could write for paragraph 3. The pie chart presents 2 additional key reasons for the decrease in the productivity of agricultural land. These are deforestation and overcultivation. Although tree clearance is almost as damaging as grazing too many animals at 30%, it has a 5% lower impact than overgrazing. Excessive cultivation is the least problematic at just over a quarter of the total. Next, we will write the second detailed paragraph. For the fourth and final paragraph, you do the same thing for your second key feature. For table, Europe had the highest percentage of degraded land. Here's an example of what you could write for paragraph 4. According to the table, 23% of Europe's agricultural land was affected by these damaging practices. This was almost double the percentage in Oceania, the next most affected region. North America experienced by far the lowest level of productivity loss with a figure of just 5% of its total agricultural land. Here are the 4 paragraphs brought together to create our finished essay. This sample essay is over the minimum word limit, so you can see that you don't have space to include very much detail at all. That's why it is essential to select just a couple of main features to write about. Now use what you have learned in this video to practice answering other multiple graph questions. Start slowly at first and keep practicing until you can plan and write a complete essay in around 20 minutes. That's all the information you will need to learn how to write a multiple graph essay. Thanks for watching. Until next time.